This is your maths class and welcome to the maths class. As you all know, our topic subtraction is going on, and in subtraction till the time we have done simple subtraction, subtraction with tens and ones, subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping. And our today's topic is in subtraction number bonds. So today we are going to learn about number bonds. आज हम number bonds के बारे में पढ़ेंगे या learn करेंगे. So first we will know what is number bond. Number bond होता क्या है? So this is the graph of number bond. In number bond क्या होता है? हमारा whole होता है. कोई भी होल थिंग होती है एंड इट्स पार्ट, दैट इज पार्ट. तो नंबर बॉन्ड में हमारे थ्री थिंग्स होती हैं, होल एंड पार्ट पार्ट. ओके, तो दैट इज नंबर बॉन्ड, होल एंड पार्ट पार्ट. सो कैसे होते हैं? नाउ वी विल नो बाय एन एग्जांपल. सो आई एम टेकिंग ए नंबर 7 minus 2 and here what? Okay, 7 minus 2 करोगे तो what you will get here, and we will also make a number bond for the number 7 because 7 is whole number. So I am writing here, and now we are going to make parts of the 7. So we have one part here, so we will write it here, and now we have to find the second part. हमें अपना second part find करना है. So this is whole and we have one part and we have to find another part. So अब हम इसको सिंपल वे में करके देखते हैं. We will do like ones. We will take ones. So we have 7. So we'll write here 7, and we have one part 2 here. So we will write it 2, and we will minus it because we have to minus it. This is a simple way. So we have to minus 2 from 7. 7 में से 2 minus करना है. So we can count on fingers also. We can count manually or we can count in mind also. So if we minus 2 from 7, we got here 5. So as we know, we have 7 is a whole number. 7 हमारे पास whole number है, and we have 2 part here, and now we have to find another part. So we got here 5. So this is another part of 7. So we can write here whole, and this is part, and this is also part. So this is whole. So you can say 5 is another part. So whole and part. So this is our another way number bond. So we will write it as ones. So we have 7. So first we will write 7, and we have 2. So we have to minus 2 from 7 because we have to know another part of the 7. क्योंकि एक part तो हमें पता है कि 2 है, but we have to find out another part. Now we will do 7 minus 2. So you can minus 2 from 7 in your mind also. If you minus 2 from 7, you got 5. So we'll write here. So now we have 2 parts, 2 and 5. So we can say 7 is whole. Okay, the 7 is whole and 2 is part. 7 का one part क्या हमारे पास 2 है, another part is 5. So we can say whole, और ये इसके क्या है, parts है. So we got another part is 5 here. So these are the two parts of a whole number 7. So parts are 2 and 5. Students, so now next we will solve our let's try 6. So let's try 6 is complete the following, and we are going to solve these sums of subtraction by using number bond. So we have number 28 and we have to minus 3 from 28. So first we will make bond for the number. So we have a whole number, that is 28, and we have to make parts. So we know the one part is 3, and we have to find another part. So first, अब इसको हम simply करके first we will solve it in a simple way. So we will write here ones and tens. So we have 28, a greater number, so we'll write it first, 20 and 8. Now we have 3. So 3, as I told you कि 1 से 9 तक जो भी numbers होते हैं, these are ones. So we will write it at ones place. We will put the sign of minus here, and now we are going to minus it. So 8 minus 3 is, yes, what will be? 8 minus 3 will be 5. So I will going to write 5 here, and here we have 2 at tens place. और आप जानते हो इसके नीचे कोई नंबर नहीं है, so we will write the same number. So 2. So this is whole. 28 हमारा whole है, and 3 is part of 28. And now we have another part, and what is, क्या है हमारा next part? We have 25. So we got our next part, that is 25. So if we minus 3 from 28, we got here 25 as a answer. So as you observe कि हमारा 28 का हमारे पास one part था 3, and we find next part is 25. Now next question, so question number B, and at question number B we have 15 and we have to minus 4 from 15. So just we will make number bond for it. So first we will write whole number. Whole is 15, and we know only one part, and we have one part, that is 4 here, and we have to find out our next part. So we will make it ones, and tens. First we will write the number, greater number here. So we have 110 and 5 ones, and we have 4 ones. So just we will put the sign of minus here. Now you can minus 4 from 5. If we minus 4 from 5, we get 1 here. So we'll write here 1, and we have 1 at tens place. और उसके नीचे कोई number भी नहीं है आपका, तो you have to write the same number here. So we got 11 here. So 15 आपका whole number है, उसका one part आपका 4 है, and you got another part is, that is 11. So we'll write here 11, and our answer is also 11. If we minus 4 from 15, we got 11. Done. Now come to the next example. Now we have 14, and we have to minus 4 from 14. So we will minus, but first we will use our bond here. So we will write whole number. Whole number is 14, and we have a part here. हमारे पास one part है, so I am going to write one part here, and we are going to solve it as our tens and ones. So we will write here tens and ones. First we will write 14 here. So 1, 4, 14, and we have 4 ones. So I am going to write it here 4 ones, and we are going to minus it. So as you know, हमने subtraction poem किया था, उसमें क्या था हमारा कि number the same. अगर आपका above और below same number है, तो क्या आंसर आएगा हमारा 0. Number the, if the number is the same, 0 is the game. ये हमारी poem में था. Number the same, 0 is the game. अगर आपका number same है, ऊपर नीचे same number है, you will got 0 as a answer. So now next at the tens place we have 1. सो क्या करेंगे, क्योंकि हमारे पास वी हैव another number, so we'll write here 1. So we got another part, means 14 minus 4 we got 10 here, means एक part तो हमारे पास 4 पहले से ही था 14 का, and we got another part and that is 10, and answer is also here 10. So अगर आप 14 को break करते हो, so if you have one part 4, so another part is 10, and if we minus 4 from 14, we got 10 as a answer. Okay, beta, now we will solve our next. Next is number D, and in number D, what we have to do? We have to minus 5 from 20 by using our number bond. So just I am going to make bond. So we have number 20 here, and we have one part 5 is there, and we have to search next part. So we will solve it by using ones tens first. Simple करेंगे हम इसको पहले, then we will find our next part. So as you know, we have 20, so we'll write here 2 tens and 0 ones, and we have to minus 5 ones. So we'll write here at 5 at ones place, put the sign of minus here, and now we are going to minus them. So as you know, we always start with ones place, और ones place से start करेंगे तो we have 0 at the top and 5 is below. तो अब आपको पता है कि we can't minus 5 from 0, 0 में से 5 आप minus नहीं कर सकते हो. So remember your poem, हमने जो poem की थी subtraction की, उसमें क्या था? More on the floor, go to the next door. Means अगर आपकी फ्लोर पे मोर है, मोर नंबर है, यानी कि आपका नीचे वाला नंबर ज्यादा है, तो यू हैव टू गो ऑन द नेक्स्ट डोर. और नेक्स्ट डोर कौन है हमारे यहाँ पे? टेंस है, तो हम जाएंगे टेंस प्लेस पर, और हम क्या करेंगे, हम टेंस से 110 बोरो करेंगे. ठीक है, रीग्रुपिंग को हम बोरो भी कहते हैं. सो बोरो करोगे तो आप 110 से कम यहाँ पर ले नहीं सकते हो, तो वी कैन टेक 110 and we will take 110 here and we will put 0 with it. So it became 10 now. और आपने यहाँ से 110 बोरो कर लिया यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पर कितने 10 रह गए? यहाँ पर 110 रह गया है. ठीक है, so now we have 110 and here we have 10. So we have 10, so we can easily minus 5 from 10. 10 में से आप 5 माइनस कर सकते हो. If we minus 5 from 10, we get here 5, and here we have 110 only, और इसके नीचे कोई नंबर भी नहीं है यहाँ पे, so we'll write here 1. So we got 15. It means 20 is whole, और 20 का one part आपका 5 है and second part is 15. So we will write here 15. And the second thing is कि अगर आप 20 में से 5 माइनस करते हो, you will got 15 as a answer. Now move to the next sum. Here we have 36 and we have to minus 3 from 36. So just first make bond for it. So we will write 36 and we have one part, 3 is here, and we have to find out next part. So write down ones, tens. So first we will write our first number 36, यानी कि 3 tens and 6 ones, and we have 3 as a 1, so we'll write it here and put the sign of minus here. So now we can minus 6 minus 3. 6 में से आप 3 इजिली माइनस कर सकते हो बिकॉज मोर ऑन द फ्लो टॉप है, तो टॉप पे आपका मोर है तो आपको रुकने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो वी विल माइनस 3 फ्रॉम 6 and we got here 3, and here we have 3 tens and there is no number below the tens, so we will write here 3 only क्योंकि कोई भी नंबर नहीं है. So we are going to write here 33 is our answer. So 36 is whole and 3 is part and 33 is another part of 36. So we will write here 33. So there are two parts of 36, 3 and 33. and this is the answer also. If we minus 3 from 36, we got 33 as the answer. So this was your last try 6 and you have to complete in your books.